Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to add thumbnail to Instagram Reel. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, make sure your Instagram is updated. Once you're here, click on your bottom right side corner, which is your profile icon. Now go to your Reels section. Select a reel. I am going to edit this one. Now tap on three dots at the bottom right side of the screen. From here, tap on Manage. Now tap on Edit. As you tap on Edit, you will see this. That you can edit caption, tag people, and even you can edit cover. Now tap on Cover. You can choose a cover from your reel, or you can also choose a new cover from your gallery by tapping on Add from Camera Roll. I am selecting this random photo from my gallery as a thumbnail. Once you are satisfied from your cover, just tap on Done. That's how you can edit your cover. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.